everyone. It is the happy hour, something we can all subscribe to, just like this channel. So today we're going to be trying some different wine varietals. One that I was particularly excited about, Zinfandel. Not the Zinfandel that got its bad name from cheap pink and white wines at your local grocery market, but a real deal California Zinfandel out of Sonoma County, Decoy. I've already opened this. I had to have a glass. I couldn't wait. So yeah, this was, started drinking this one a little early. Decoy is part of the Duckhorn wine line. And it started as a single varietal, a single wine, and now it has its own whole portfolio. The Merlot and the Cabernets are really good, so I was excited to try the Zinfandel. This is a 2016, pretty good year there. We'll pour a little bit more into the glass so you get a good look at it. See, it's very dark. It's got a wonderful alcohol rim there at the top. It's got a little bit of bubbles from the aeration from pouring. That's fine. It smells like it's going to be jammy. Let's give it a little swirl. It is definitely a nice, bold, smooth, dry, not overly dry, but it's on the dry side, and it's soft. It finishes nice. It really pairs the smell and the flavor pair together very well. So what you smell and what you expect to taste, great job here from Decoy. Should probably go really good with beef or lamb. I don't really like the gaminess of lamb, but I think that this would cut through it really nicely. It's got some cherry flavor, plum. I would also say that it has a little bit of spice on the finish as well, so that's always really nice. Duckhorn is a pretty nice place to visit, the vineyard out in California. It is in St. Helena, or Sonoma County. You know, you can sit outside on the deck, make sure you have reservations. It's a really nice experience. Staff is very knowledgeable there. We've been there numerous times, and I'm looking forward to going back. And I'm also looking forward to a little bit more of the berries and the jamminess out of this Zinfandel. High quality product, highly recommend. You know, of course, consume responsibly, over the age of 21 and all the other stuff, but also as well, you know, comment in this video, let us know what you think of this wine. It's an extreme value. I'm not saying it's cheap. It's costing me around $20 for the bottle, which is half or maybe even a third less than the Duckhorn. So it's a good everyday wine. It's a little bit better than your normal Zinfandel for 10 or 12 bucks. I would spend the extra money. It's definitely worth it. This is a great way to get a buzz with your cuz. And until next time, we'll see you next week.